What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video with the XSR900. Oh snap, I left this on there. Totally forgot I had that. So this was a little idea I had with some vinyl wrap. I think it ended up coming out pretty nice, but the only thing is I kind of scratched the crap out of it, so I'm gonna have to redo that. This side is still stuck. Yeah, so it looks good this way, but I feel like this way with this little thing, yeah, it makes it look a little bit different. A little bit different for this season. But yeah, if you guys like that, let me know in the comments if I should redo that side and then do the other side. But in today's video, we're going to be talking about the Akrapovic exhaust. So right now, I do not have a dB killer in it, but yeah, this thing is way too loud. Without the dB killer on, and also the dB killers that I've modified, it's also way too loud. So this might be the last ride that I do without the dB killer, because I'm going to be installing another stock one. But yeah, let's go for one last rip. We are going to do a cold start. Oh my god, it's like everything vibrates. Nice looking exhaust, looks awesome, sounds great. But this thing is way too droney. So this is going to be the last ride with the droney Akrapovic. Alright guys, and here we are. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jeez. Oh, ridiculous. It's not even like 5 minutes since I've been on the road, and I feel like even with earplugs, my ears are already ringing. Jeez. I think it's also because I'm getting older that my ears are bothering me. I'm getting a little bit older, and my ears are like, we don't like loud noise anymore. Look at this, it is beautiful. Weather right now is like perfect, but look at this. Like, how ridiculous is this? It is like super nice. Woo! This bike is a beast. It's like, this thing literally sounds perfect. I just wish it was not droney at all. Oh my god, and those backfires, whew, ridiculous guys, ridiculous. Like, you cannot beat this. Like, look at this road. Like, look at this. It is like perfect. Gorgeous, gorgeous roads. Gorgeous bike. Sheesh. This thing, telling you guys, get yourself a motorcycle, any kind of motorcycle. Trust me, when you get on these things, you forget everything. These backfires are like ridiculous. Oh, look at the Mercedes wagon. Nice. Yeah, guys, this thing. Oh. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, that guy's getting gapped. Sheesh. This thing's loud. Whoa, is that a turkey? Yo, I did not know those savages. I think it's a turkey. I did not know those savages flew that high. What? My boy just flew way the heck up there. I knew they could fly, but not that high. My goodness. Alright guys, let's pull over real quick. We'll do a few revs over here, because this will probably be the last time that we hear this Akrapovic without the DB killer. Yeah, this thing, oh my god, look at that thing. Oh jeez. Yep, let's get out of here. Yeah, like I said guys, this thing sounds awesome, but my ears do not enjoy that. Let's go. Chef's kiss, guys. Oh my goodness, these puddles. Look at that shifty with no clutch. What? Oh, we got 5-0, Trish. Good thing I was just cruising, because I was actually about to just pin it right there. And guys, good thing I did not. I was about to pin this thing as soon as I got on this road, and I didn't. And good thing I didn't, because I definitely would have got pulled over, and my boy would have been like, yo, that exhaust is way too loud, homie. I know, sir, I'm making it quieter. I am making it quieter. Alright guys, my ears have had enough. Stay tuned for the next video. Hit that subscribe button so that you can see when I post other videos. And yeah guys, hope you enjoyed this quick little video, because my ears certainly did not. And with that being said guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Keep on riding.